So y'all, I come out here to harvest my tomatoes, and oh my gosh, let me show you. Look at that. Something's been eating my tomatoes. So I'm walking around my yard to try to figure out where they're coming from, because I'm pretty sure I blocked off the rabbits. But look at this. Y'all see that piece of tomato? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's where the chipmunks live. I can't do the chipmunks. So I'm getting these little scrap pieces of wood. To plug the hole. So I'm gonna take these little pieces of wood that I just got and maybe plug this hole. You see, I already have this brick here and that piece of wood there where they were living back there before, because they dig all of that gravel out from under my patio. It's crazy. But they don't like these tomatoes. They only like these tomatoes. So hopefully that solves the mystery of what's been eating my tomatoes and what's been burrowing in my pots. If I can figure out how to control these chipmunks, then maybe I can get control of my garden again. I don't know. You all let me know down in the comments what to do. Thanks.